Let's continue with the shloka of 32nd chapter. So, tasmat swavishaye raksha कर्तव्या भूतिमिच्छता यज्ञेर्नावाप्यते स्वर्गः रक्षणात् प्राप्यते यथा. So kartavya, it is a kartavya.
Okay, so
Bhutim ichchata.
I'm not able to see your screen, right?
Aren't you?
Okay, got it. Okay, now I can.
So bhutim.
न अवाप्यते स्वर्गः.
Let's make it anvaya. Bhutim.
रक्षणात् प्राप्यते यथा.
भूतिम इच्छता स्वविषये रक्षा कर्तव्या. कस्मात् यज्ञैः स्वर्गः न अवाप्यते किंतु रक्षणात् यथा अवाप्यते, यथा प्राप्यते. So basically, you got the meaning, right?
No.
No. So basically, one who desire the prosperity.
Bhuti, okay.
What he has to do is he have to protect himself. शरीर साध्यम शरीरमाद्यम खलु धर्म साधनम शरीरम आद्यम खलु धर्म साधनम. So basically, the protecting our own body for the sake of desiring prosperity or moksha is very important. Because yajnaihi na avapyate swargah. Swarga is not obtained through only yajnas if they are not completed. But if you do rakshanam of those yajnas and yourself, you are going to get the swarga. So by performing only yajna and not protecting yajnas, you are not going to obtain swarga. यथा रक्षणात् स्वर्गः प्राप्यते तथा यज्ञैः न अवाप्यते इति. यथा फलानां पक्वानां नान्यत्र पतनात् भयम् एवं नरस्य जातस्य नान्यत्र मरणात् भयम्.
यथा फलानां पक्वानां न अन्यत्र पतनात् भयम् एवं नरस्य जातस्य न अन्यत्र मरणात् भयम्.
They have only one fear. The ripened fruits has only one phala. Of what? Of falling down. Similarly, one who has born has biggest fear of maranam.
Death.
न भीतो मरणादस्मि केवलम दूषितम.
Where did they get all these from the scriptures?
From different shlokas. Here you are going to get from Mohamudgaram Bhaja Govindam Artham Anartham Bhavai Nityam. Okay, before that we will complete this. Nabhito Maranadasmi Kevalam Dushitam Yashah Vishuddhasya hi me mrityuhu Putra Janma Samah Kilah. Very nice shlok. Basically, in previous shloka it was said the Purusha has only fear from Maranam. But in this shloka, the Subhashitakara is saying, Nabhita Maranadasmi. I am not afraid of Maranam, death, but Kevalam Dushitam Yashah. But I am afraid of Dushitam Yashah. So basically, I am afraid of Ninda.
Losing fame.
Losing fame.
Ninda.
Basically, losing fame would be the good word, because the संभावितस्य चाकीर्तिः मरणादतिरिच्यते. Sambhavita, one who is very honored person, respected person, he will desire maranam rather than losing fame. Akirti is like a maranam. Gita says.
In the second chapter, the Lord says,
संभावितस्य चाकीर्तिः मरणादतिरिच्यते, says भगवान. One who is sambhavita, respected. Akirti is like a maranam, and he will desire to die rather than having unfame or the having condemn, like that. Anyway, so he is saying न भीतः मरणादस्मि, but केवलं दूषितं यशः, but विशुद्धस्य हि मे मृत्युः पुत्र जन्म समकिल. And if I die without any condemn, without losing any kirti, then that maranam itself becomes the putra janma sama. So as though it is a putra janma utsava. So basically, uh, the maranam which happens very nicely, in the sense the person who is having good virtues, and if he dies, then all the people celebrate his death also. So there are many saints, though they were passed long, long, long back, but we still remember. Why? Because they were Vishuddha. And we do celebrate even now. Why? They were not afraid of Maranam, but they were afraid of losing their Yashaha. And they protected whole life their, honor. And they died. अपापानां कुले जाते मयि पापं न विद्यते यदि संभाव्यते पापम अपापेन च किं मया. हम्म अपाप
अपापानां कुले जाते
हम्म
मयि पापं न विद्यते.
सति सप्तमी प्रयोग. हम्म
If you're born in the good family, you don't incur any sins.
मयि पापम न विद्यते. There is no sin in me or happened by me, happen through me. यदि संभाव्यते पापम, if any papa happens, then apapena kim maya, I am actually my swarupa. If you see, I am a papi. Though some sin happens through me, but I am not touched by that sin. This is explanation from the standpoint of Atma Tattva. Next श्लोक is very familiar. अर्थम अनर्थम भावै नित्यम नास्तिस्तत सुखलेश सत्यम पुत्रादपि धनभाजां भीतिः सर्वत्रैषा विहिता रीतिः. The riti is very famous. What? Even father can have the fear from son when the father is a dhanabhaj, one who is having wealth. That's how Shankaracharya ji says, Artham anartham bhavaya. You consider that wealth as anartha only. Why? नास्ति ततः सुखलेशः सत्यम. ततः मतलब अर्थात धनात् सुखलेशः अपि नास्ति, सत्यम नास्ति. There is no happiness, there is no iota of sukham from that wealth. Why? Even though the father who's having a good wealth has fear from his own son, and this is the riti everywhere. इस सब जगहों पे यही लागू होता है. जिनके पास पैसा है वो बाकी लोगों से ज्यादा घर से परेशान होते हैं, घर के लोगों से. Then next is again from Bhaja का तव कांता कस्ते पुत्रः संसारः अयम् अतीव विचित्रः.
Okay.
कस्य त्वं वा कुतः आयातः तत्त्वं चिन्तय तद इदं भ्रातः. Explain now.
काते कांता कस्ते पुत्रः संसारः अयम् अतीव विचित्रः. Who is your spouse or who is your son? This samsara is very Vichitra.
Peculiar. Gurji
Find
used the
out
word.
Vichitra.
Vichitra. The
What is the
Gurji,
word?
Swami Tejomayananji used the words peculiar. Samsara is a very
Peculiar.
peculiar.
Correct.
Tasyatvam.
So find out where you came from, and then you think of that tattvam, oh brother.
Then next, Shatrau mitre putre bandhau ma kuru yatnam vigraha athva sandhau. So basically vigraha sandhau yatnam ma kuru. Bhava samachittam sarvatratvam vanchasi yadi achirat sattat. Okay, there is some changes in this shloka. Anyway, let's say meaning. Regarding this is a Vaishayik Saptami about Shatru, Mitra, Putra, Bandhu. Don't try
You're
to.
breaking up too much. I'm not able to hear you at all.
Okay, the cloudy weather, what to do? So basically, this is a Vaishayik Saptami where it is said, do not do not try to do Vigraha, the separation or Sandhi about the friends and the Shatru enemies and the son or the relatives. And what you do, Bhava Samachittaha Sarvatra, Sarvatra Samachittaha Bhava. Just be equal among this. Don't, let's be Sama. Samata matlab the equal mind. Let's have equal mind about everything. If you desire to have Sat Tattvam very quickly, Achirat. Chirat matlab long time. Achirat quickly. So Achirat, if you desire the Sat Tattvam very quickly, what you need to do is you need to bhava, you need to become equal mind. You have to have an equal mind. About what? About Shatru, Mitra, Putra, Bandhu. So don't try to make them apart or don't try to make them come together, connect them. Why? Whatever they think that is going to happen. By your prayatna, they are not coming together and they are not going to get separated. So don't poke your nose among these things and just be equal. Next. महता पुण्यपन्नेन क्रीतेयम. क्या है वो शब्द? The word is not very clear. Okay. हाँ, काय नौ. काय itself is a nauka. So महता पुण्यपन्नेन क्रीतेयम काय नौस्त्वया पारम दुःखो दग्धेर पारम दुःखो पारम दुःखो दधेर गंतुम तर यावन्न भिद्यते. Very nice. So basically here the nauka, the boat, the upama of boat is given to the body. How did you get your nauka, kaya rupi nauka? Mahata punya panyena. Panyam is a currency. What is the currency is used to get this kaya nauka? Tvaya mahata punya panyena. You have done great punyam to obtain this body. And what that body is going to do? Param dukkha udadehe gantum. What is the purpose of having this body? Dukkha udadehe param gantum. To cross the dukkha udadi tarah yavan na vidyate. Yavan tarah na vidyate, you can cross the dukkha samsara. Once it is broken, in the sense one, you lose the body, you lose the control upon body, then there is no crossing over the bhava samsara. So once you are good enough to cross the samsara, take the help of this body and do it. This is how the upadesh is done. You got the meaning?
Vidyate means what?
भिद्यते, भेदन होना. जैसे कि नौका में छेद होना, है ना. So basically body cannot have chedanam, but body chedanam means the dying, the body's death. Okay. धैर्यं यस्य पिता क्षमा च जननी क्षान्तिश्चिरं गेहिनी सत्यं सूनुः अयं दया च भगिनी भ्राता मनस्संयमः शय्या भूमितलं दिशः अपि वसनं ज्ञानामृतं भोजनं एते यस्य कुटुम्बिनः वद सखे कस्मात् भयं योगिनः. So yogin, one who has dhairyam yasya pita, one who has father in the form of dhairyam. You got the meaning you say?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Dhairyam yasya pita kshama. Kshama cha janani. Okay. Dhairyam yasya pita. Just like a father who is very courageous.
No.
Mother
So
who is
one
very...
who has dhairyam as father.
Oh, one who has dhairyam. Yasya pita dhairyam. Okay.
Yasya mata,
And
yasya
one who
janani.
has forgiveness.
As janani.
Yasya janani kshama, whose mother forgiveness. Shantihi Ishwaram, Shantihi Chiram Gehini.
Gehini, the spouse, wife.
Okay. One who has a
dip. The Shanti is a spouse.
Okay.
Satyam Sunuhu. Satyam is the son. Daya cha bhagini, one who has daya as a bhagini. Manassayama, the control over mind itself, is a brother. One who has shayya in the sense bed, where bhumitalam, the bhumitalam itself is a bed. And what is the vastra? The cloth is the dishah, digambarah, basically. So disha itself is the ambara for him. And what he eats, jnanamritam, one who does jnanamrita bhojanam. So tell me, ete yasya kutumbinah, one who has these kutumbis, one who has this kind of, the relatives, family, and then tell me where there is a fear for this kind of yogis. Nice श्लोक. विपदी धैर्यमथाभ्युदये क्षमा सदसे वाक्पटुता युधि विक्रमः यशसि चाभिरुचिर्व्यसनं श्रुतौ. There should be श्रुतौ. प्रकृति सिद्धमिदं हि महात्मनां. प्रकृति सिद्धमिदं हि महात्मनां. This is by nature of Mahatmas. What? Vipadi dhairyam. Meaning?
Abhyudaye kshama.
In
the times of difficult times, who has the courage.
So basically in adversity, one who has courage. In abhyudaya, in prosperity, one who has forgiveness. Sadasi, in the assembly of wise people, one who has vakpatutvam, vakpatuta. Yudhi vikramah. In yuddha, one who does vikrama. Yashasi cha abhiruchihi, one who desire yashah, one who has abhiruchi in yashah. And shrutau, in the shastra shravana, one who has vyasanam. So one who like to listen the shastrartha. So these things are prakriti siddha, by nature, for mahatmanam, for mahatmas. Next shloka. Alasyam hi manushanam sharirastho maharipuhu नास्त्युद्यमसमो बन्धुः कृत्वायं नावसीदति. आलस्यम
Manushanam, laziness for the people. of the people, and Sharirasthaha Maharipuhu. One who has the body. Body is a big enemy.
No, 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 not body. Sharirastha, one who stays in the body, of whose
One who stays in the
manushanam
body.
manushanam sharirastha maharipuhu kah alasyam. So basically, the laziness is the big enemy of manushas staying in their body.
Body.
हाँ, and न अस्ति उद्यम समः बंधुः. उद्यम सम बंधुः न अस्ति, and there is no brother like a उद्यम उद्योग कृत्वा यम न अवसीदति. If he does udyama, then there is no avasadana. He is not going to lose himself. One who works hard, then there is no failure. Okay. So basically, bandhuhu kaha, udyama is the bandhu, and alasya is the enemy. One who takes the help of udyama, then there is no failure.
Okay.
Now there is a next story. We will complete that very nice story. Asti, what is that? Brahmaranye. Okay, let's say Brahmaranye. Karpura tilakah naam hasti. Brahmaranye.
In that Brahma forest, one elephant by the name of Karpura Tilakaha is there.
In the forest named Brahmaranya, there used to have the elephant named Karpura Tilaka. Tam avalokya sarve shrugalaha chintayanti sma. Let's finish this much.
Tam avalokya sarve
Shrugalaha. Sarve Shrugalaha
Chintayanti Isma. So all the foxes they thought Chintayanti.
They used to think. What they used to think?
They used to think.
Yadi ayam Karpura Tilakah kenapi upayena mriyate tada asmakam etaddenena masachatuštayam bhojanam bhavishyati.
Oh. So if that elephant dies, from that elephant for one whole month, for 4 months, we will have food.
Yes. So if he dies by some upaya, we will have the pankti for 4 months. Tatra ekena vruddha shrugalena प्रतिज्ञा कृता.
Okay, you're breaking up, so okay, I'm just trying to.
You can go ahead. Next sentence. Tatra ekena vruddha shrugalena प्रतिज्ञातम्.
Okay. Maya buddhi prabhavat asya maranam sadhayitavyam. So one old Shrugala, he took a vow that by my intelligence, I will make sure that I will kill. I will make that death of the elephant. I will make it happen.
Anantaram sah vanchakah कर्पूरतिलकसमीपं गत्वा साष्टाङ्गपातं प्रणम्य अवदत् देव दृष्टिप्रसादं कुरु.
Okay. So after that Vanchaka, he went to near Karpura Tilaka, having gone there, and he did Sashtanga Namaskara. साष्टाङ्गपातं
Hmm.
pranamya avadat. Okay, he said, Deva drushti prasadam kuru. Hey, great, your holiness, you do, I don't know, drushti prasadam kuru, I don't know. You karunya drushti anni.
That is that. Let's have your grace upon us, like that.
Oh, grace.
हस्ति ब्रूते कः त्वं कुतः समायातः?
The Hasti said, who are you? From where did you come?
सः अवदत् जम्बुकोऽहं सर्वैर्वनवासिभिः पशुभिः मिलित्वा भवत्सकाशं प्रस्थापितः. Let's complete like up to this.
Okay. Saha vadat.
Saha avadat.
Okay, he said, Jambukaha aham sarvaihi vanavasibihi pashubihi militva bhavat sakasham prastapitaha. Okay. All of us, Jambukaha is
Jambuka means
the foxes, all the jackals, from all of us, vanavasibihi, and we met with all the animals, bhavat sakasham prastapitaha. We want to, we came sakasham prastapitaha. I don't know.
No. Saha avadat, he said, I am Jambuk.
And I am Jambuk.
And I am sent near to you by Sarvaihi Vanavasibihi Pashubihi. I am sent to you by the animals of the forest. All the animals from the vana.
Okay.
Why? Yadvina radnyam avasthatum na yuktam. Why? Because we don't have Rajya. Radnya vina. Avasthatum na yuktam. Without king, living doesn't make sense. Right? There should be someone king. Tad atra tavi rajye bhishektum bhavan sarvaswami gunopetah nirupitah. So basically, that you are told to have sarva gunopetah and you are only worthy person to do abhishek in this Atavi Rajya. Then tad yatha lagna vela na vichalati tatha kritva satvaram agamyatam devena. So to do her Rajyabhishek lagna vela na vichalati. Don't lose the time. Don't lose the muhurta. Yatha satvaram agamyatam. Tatha kritva satvaram agamyatam. Don't lose the time. Come fast and let's become king. That is how the jackal said. Iti uktva utthaya chalitah. Having said, he started walking. ततः असौ राज्यलोभात् आकृष्टः कर्पूरतिलकः शृगालवर्त्मना धावन् महापङ्के निमग्नः. Then what happened? Then Shrugala started walking, and the elephant also was the Lobha Krishta. And because of that Lobha of Rajyam, that Karpura Tilaka Hasti elephant started the following the path of Shrugala. And while running, Mahapanke Nimagnaha, he got stuck in the mud. Tatah tena hastina uktam. Then that hasti said, what said? Sakhe Shrugala, kim adhuna vidheyam. What should be done now? when he was stuck in the mud, he said, "Oh Shrugala, wait, what should be done now? Tanke nipatitah aham mriye paravritya pashya." So he said, "Are, I got stuck in the mud. Just turn your side and look at me." Shugalena vihasya uktam. Then Shugala started laughing and said, "Deva, mama pruchhaka avalambanam krutva uttishta." You take the support of my langula. You take support of my tail and got up. Then, then he said, यद मद वचसि त्वया प्रत्ययः कृतः विश्वासः कृतः तद अनुभूयताम अशरणम दुःखम. So he said, "Arey, you believed at my vachanam. Now, enjoy your sorrowful life. Anubhuyatam asharanam dukkham. Unlimited sorrow you can enjoy now." This is how we have successfully completed another book. You can go through the words once you get book, and the vocabulary is very good of this book. And the book basically made for the purpose of learning Anvaya. So I hope you got good idea of learning Anvaya and many other things also.
Definitely, we learned something.
Nice. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Let's.
We worked whenever time was permitted. We worked on it, and then I did understand. Some more my vocabulary of words increased.
It was nice for me also because there were English words specifically, and I don't get much chance to speak English because there are no English students in Maharashtra.
You translated very well, better than us, the English-speaking people. You translated it very well.
But I have not habit of speaking continuously, so that is lacking something. And this is how this class helps me to speak some English. Anyway, again we will see if such texts we pick up for next. Till that, we will take a break. Okay, we'll do Purnamada.
Yes.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Okay, Hari Om Punarmilama.
Thank you so much, Avinash. This one was very nice. We got a lot out of it. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Om.